back one side, same way. Left. Back. 3, 2, 1, go left. Right.
So it's my son's birthday on the 31st of October and I have decided to dedicate this entire week to my darling sunny boy. And what better way than to start with this little jumping jack on me. We are going to be working out and there's my husband planning a really hectic routine. But there could be some very exciting things, so keep watching. Mwah!
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. 4 and 8.
Wow!
Come on, okay, come on, don't finish it. Come on.
And as much as I love training with my family, they are both crazy. One doesn't stop and the other one is a tyrant. I mean, Raichand actually is such a simple guy off the field, but on the field, he's like one monster. Yeah, I can still carry him.
I'm moving. I'm with you.
Ah, bus.
Okay, go on. 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1.
Always the last one.
This is the need for speed.